I go to the fitness center. I go to the fitness center. I see people working out. I see people working out. I see a group exercise class. I see a group exercise class. I join the class. I join the class. I see friendly faces. I see friendly faces. I say hello to a person. I say hello to a person. We talk. We talk. We become friends. We become friends. I meet another person. I meet another person. We talk while exercising. We talk while exercising. We laugh. We laugh. We become friends. We become friends. I meet more people. I meet more people. We share stories. We share stories. We exercise together. We exercise together. We encourage each other. We encourage each other. I make new friends. I make new friends. We see each other at the gym. We see each other at the gym. We greet with smiles. We greet with smiles. We meet up outside the gym. We meet up outside the gym. We have fun together. We have fun together. Making friends at the gym is great. Making friends at the gym is great. I like it a lot. I like it a lot.